Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in today's video I'm gonna talk about the Bool data type. Okay, so let's get started with a simple explanation of a Bool data type. So a Bool is basically a logical statement, I would say. So we can store states within this data type. Computers work with Boolean data types because I don't know if you don't know if you know this, but computers usually use two states to represent data, okay, which are ones and zeros. So let's just get started with the bool data type. We use bool to create a variable. We need a name. Basically, a name for a bool data type is going to be a state. For example, alive, which is a state. Okay. So alive is our object, our variable. We need to give it some state. So let's give it the state true. So true is a state. So Boolean variables only can have two states, which are true and false. Okay, so I'm gonna print this variable alive. Let's see what is the output. So guys can see the output is true. Okay, so also I can change to false. Okay, so pretty simple. So right now I think it might seem that it isn't a big deal, but actually it is, because computer programs need these variables to make decisions and so on, and computers work with these variables all the time. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Any doubts that you might have, just comment down below and I'm gonna try to help you out. Okay, so thanks for watching again and see you guys next time.